Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Park the Audi A3 on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off the ignition. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent 12V shorts while you work. Allow the headlight area to cool for at least 15 minutes to avoid burns. Wear nitrile gloves to keep oils off the bulb and bring a soft cloth to protect painted surfaces. Confirm the replacement bulb type and that the new bulb matches the exact connector and wedge or bayonet style required. Open the hood and remove the plastic engine cover by loosening the fasteners with a 10mm socket and a flat tool as needed. For extra clearance, turn the steering wheel away from the side you are working on. Locate the rear access cap on the headlight housing and remove it by twisting counterclockwise. Reach inside, find the wiring connector on the bulb, and depress the release tab to disconnect it gently. Inspect the boot or retaining clip that holds the bulb in place and prepare to release it. Remove the old bulb by releasing the retaining clip or unscrewing the bayonet mount, then withdraw the bulb straight out. Touch only the bulb base and not the glass. Oils reduce lifespan. Insert the new bulb straight into the socket and ensure it seats fully, then re-engage the retaining clip or twist to lock. Reconnect the wiring connector, replace the rubber access cap, reinstall any engine covers, and reconnect the negative battery cable. Turn on the headlight to test operation and adjust aim if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.